Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about a problem that I faced a few days ago. I'm not an expert in Excel. I did try to research on Google and on different forums as well. Um, but the solution that I've seen, they were very they were not easy. They were very difficult. Difficult in the sense that if your data sheet has 100 or 200 entries, then you can do it easily manually. But if your Excel has a data more than 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 rows, then it could be almost impossible to do it manually. Basically, my data is imported from a software to Word, and then from Word to Excel. That's the way we do it. There's no other way. But the problem with this way is that when you export the data, you get these blank lines with every after every entry. Um, what I wanted to do is to delete all these empty rows in with the one single command, or if there is any other option. The options that I found on internet were slightly difficult. I mean, for instance, you have to number um, the filled row with the one and then zero, and you keep going on, and then you filter that way. But there was a simple way, with the help of a colleague who showed me a simple way to get rid of these empty rows. The idea is to select all the data that you have, and then go to sort, filter, go to the top, select uncheck the blanks. That's it, you're done. So you can do whatever you want to do with this data now. I initially need this, basically I need this to get this printed, so that I can cross match this data manually with other data sheets. That was the whole idea. And if I do it that way, it's easier for me to print. It's less, uh, you get less pages, less columns, and in this particular case, I can always, cut the rest of the data and paste it in front of it, and that's how I can have like two columns in one sheet, or probably three columns in one sheet. So that's how I did it. I mean, it's an easy way to um, get rid of all the empty cells in with just one click. Uh, I'm not an expert in Excel, and I won't be, to be honest with you, I won't be able to answer any um, complicated or difficult questions you may have regarding this video. But that's how I did. That's how it works. If you've got any better way of doing it, you're more than welcome to share with me in the comments. Thank you very much.